Hey guys, this is Shobit and you are watching me on my channel Shobro Tech. Guys, in this video, let's see a quick unboxing and review of these Ambrane brand wireless earphones. So basically, these are the Bluetooth earphones. So these earphones I bought from a local shop present in my city. So if you are a viewer from my city, then you can definitely buy these earphones from the address given in the description box. Also, these earphones are available over amazon.in, so you can check these earphones over that site via the link given in the description box. So without wasting your time, let's get straight into the video. Now guys, let us do the unboxing of these. You can see the Ambrane wireless earphones. So you can see the branding itself is given over the box, and also the first look of the earphone is given so that you can recognize which type of earphone you will get inside the box. Also the some features are given here, so you can see the features is like Bluetooth connectivity, high bass, and voice assistant also. So and there's a model number ANB56, and also the wireless earphone is given over that. Branding is given on the sideways, and on the back side of the box you can see some information is given about this earphone only, and also some of the other features are also mentioned here. So magnetic clasp, inline mic, noise isolation, and clear sound playback time, and some technical specification is given. So you can see the let me just so you can see the technical specification are given. So the first one is the Bluetooth version 5.0, transmission range 10 meter, and battery capacity 200 milliampere Li-ion battery, and Google and Siri assistant, so you can assist with Google and Siri both, and the charging time up to 3 hours, and music talk time up to 10 hours. So this is a very good, I would say, the battery life of these earphones. So you can see the standby time 240 hours, which is a very good. And I'll also tell you that what is the actual standby time, and also the channel is dual stereo, which is very good. So now you can see the actually the company is given, and you can see it's not a Chinese product, it is PRC, which is Taiwan. So it's a Taiwan based company. So you can see the price is mentioned 1500 rupees. The price is of 1500 rupees. I will tell you the what's the actual price you will get from if you just buy from the shop and from the Amazon. So now let us do a quickly just unbox these earphones, so you can just see wow, it's a very premium earphone. As you can see, a very premium look is there. So you can just see let me yes, you can see now the first thing which you get is this startup guide. So you can just read the instructions and how to use the functionality of the earphone, the functionality of buttons present in this earphone, and also all the specific things are given on this guide. Now let us quickly take out these earphones. So in the back of the box you get this charging cable, and you do not get any extra earbuds. So let us keep it aside. And as you can see, the earphone is very premium, I would say it's very good, and its look is somewhat metallic look is there, but it is made up of plastic. Now the wire is rubber mixed plastic, and also these earbuds or ear tips are of plastic, and also this is a very soft earbud, I would say. And this is also there is no branding which I like about this. Only this branding is actually. Ambrane is a professional company which makes product like speakers, like microphone, like power banks for professional use, for commercial use. For now, here you get a play pause button, here you get a plus and minus, which is volume up and volume down button, and also here are charging light, which is indicator light, and which is also a microphone. The integrated microphone is present here, and here you get a USB type B charging port. Now you can see it's a very good premium earphone, and later in this video I will reveal the price of this earphone. Now as you can see, they have a magnetic lock mechanism, and the magnet is it's okay. So you can see the earbuds, and there is no ear support you are given with these earphones. Now the build is of plastic, and this is of you can say the plastic mixed with rubber, so it's very stiff and it's very good. Now the weight of these earphone is very light. They are very light. Now this is somewhat heavier than this part, so it's a very good thing. Now I have reviewed the Mivi also, but in Mivi the earbuds are somewhat heavier than the whole body. Now these wires are somewhat thin. I would say the wire is not that much of good quality, but the material used in making of these wires is very good. Now the finish is very good. So this was the unboxing of this earphone, and you will not get anything other than this. And now coming to the price, what is the actual price which you get? The actual price is 1350 rupees. Now let us do a quick review of these earphones. Guys, now let us do a quick review of these earphones. So I have divided this review again in certain categories, and I will discuss them one by one. The first category is the comfort. Now the comfortability level of this earphone is very good, because you just have to wear it like this in your collar, and just you can do anything you want. Now because it comes with the neck support, and also the neck part of this is slightly heavy, so because of that you get a very good comfort. So for the comfortability level, I will give them simply 10 out of 10. Now the next is the build quality and look. Now the build quality is very premium, but the build material which is used in making of this earphone is plastic, but the look of this earphone is very good. So if you are looking for a earphone with a premium look and a very good build, then this is a very good earphone for you. So for the build quality and look, I will give them simply 10 out of 10. Now the next is the fit. Now fit is very fabulous, because if you are a lover of a physical work, or you are outdoor type of guy, then this will be a very good earphone for you. Now for the fit, I will give them simply 9.5 out of 10, and I have cut it a half point because they do not come with a ear support. Now the next is the Bluetooth range. Now the Bluetooth range of this earphone is very good. Actually the company claims a Bluetooth range of 10 meter, but in my personal use, when I tested it personally, then the Bluetooth range is far much than that. So for the Bluetooth range, I will give them simply 10 out of 10. Now the next is the integrated mic. Now the integrated mic of this earphone is very good. So none of the other party complains that if you are using a Bluetooth earphone or not. And the noise cancellation of mic is somewhat okay type. So I will give them simply 9 out of 10 for the integrated mic. The next is the noise cancellation. So the noise cancellation of this earphone is very good, so you will not hear any ambient sound coming from the surrounding. So for the noise cancellation, I will give them simply 9.5 out of 10. The next is the sound quality. Now I have divided the sound quality in certain aspect, and I will discuss them one by one. The first aspect is the high-end mid-tones. The high-end mid-tones of this earphone is very good, because if you are a music lover and you know what are high-end mid-tones, then you will definitely like this earphone. So for the high-end mid-tones, I will give them simply 9.5 out of 10. The next is the vocals. Now vocals of this earphone is not that much good, because these earphones are highly emphasized over the bass, so because of that the vocals are somewhat suppressed. So vocals of a music, you will feel the vocals of the music is not that much good. And if you are a music lover, then you know what are vocals. Basically the words and the beats coming in the music are known as the vocals. So for the vocals, I will give them simply 7 out of 10. Now the next is the bass. Now bass of these earphone is very overpowering, and also they are very emphasized over the bass. But what I felt, because of the high overpowering bass, the vocals and the instrument sound were suppressing. So for the bass, I will give them simply 8 out of 10. The next is the overall sound quality which you will get in this earphone. So in this budget of 1350 rupees, they are very good earphone. So for the overall sound quality, I will give them simply 9.5 out of 10. So this was the review. I have divided the review in certain categories, and I have discussed them one by one. So next is it worth to buy this earphone? So these earphones I got for rupees 1350, means 1350 from the local shop present in my city, and you can also buy these earphones from Amazon. I have dropped the link in the description box. So if you are a viewer from my city, then you can definitely check these earphones from the address given in the description box. So yes, it is worth to buy these earphones. I would say, in my opinion, it is worth to buy this earphone. The next comes is the overall rating of these earphones. So in this budget you get a very premium look, you get a very good comfort, and also the mic is very good and the sound quality is very decent. So the overall rating which I will give to these earphones is 9 out of 10. So in my personal opinion, if you are a lover of music and you want a earphone in the budget of 1400 rupees, then these earphones are very good for you. So thanks for watching. That's it for now. This is Shobit and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.